You are going to love the 2022 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: active grille shutters, black door handles, rear window defroster, inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.